before this, I mean singing mouth. Today we will first a vlog. Are you ready? Okay, let's go! First, please select one colored paper and fold in rectangular shape to make a long-sided figure. And then open. Can you see a line in the middle of the paper? Fold the colored paper fitting the line. And then fold like triangle for this corner to meet here. And then open. Also fold the opposite side for this corner to meet here. And open. And then upside down like this. Can you see X lines and both corners? Please fold it half fitting these corners. And then open, and then upside down again. Then we can see a line in X lines. Pay attention, here is important. Please get a middle line with index finger and then press here and then press upper. Now we made it like a triangle. And then fold in rectangular shape until here. Now we will make a front legs of frog. Fold like this, fitting the line both sides. And then we will make behind the leg of frog. First, fold like this. Please fold meeting this line to middle line. And then open upper. Please fold the same as opposite side. And open upper. Please fold fitting this corner. And open. Please pay attention, this part can be difficult. Fold and open like this. Please fold the same as the opposite side. And then press these corners like this. And then please fold here until there. And then fold fitting this line like this. And please fold fitting here. And fold again, but just a little. Then complete the vlog.
Wow! Wow!
Did you enjoy this time? I will come back next time with more interesting for you people. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!